everyone, my name is Noemi Sasso from BSBA2B and I chose a topic about interacting with history through shrines and museums. And now I'm going to share with you guys my understanding and my reflections to my chosen topic. Interacting with history through shrines and museum means connecting with the past in a direct, tangible, and meaningful way. Shrines are sacred spaces built to honor heroes, commemorate significant events, or preserve cultural and spiritual traditions. They often symbolize the courage, sacrifice, and identity of a community or nations. Museums, on the other hand, serve as organized repositories of historical artifacts, artworks, documents, and cultural items. Inside them, we find objects that represent different eras, lifestyles, struggles, and achievements of people who lived before us. When we visit these places, we do more than just observe displays. We step into a physical environment where history is preserved and interpreted. Read historical accounts and understand how certain events shaped society. Through guided tours, interactive exhibits, and educational displays, shrines and museums help transform historical facts into vivid experiences. They allow us to explore our heritage, understand the continuity of our culture, and recognize how our present reality deeply connected to the past. In this way, shrines and museums become more powerful tools for learning, curiosity, and cultural preservation. And my reflection about this topic, visiting shrines and museums always gives me a deeper sense of connections to history. Being surrounded by artifacts, memorials, and stories makes me realize that the events I studied in books were lived by real people. People who faced hardships, made brave choices, and contributed to the world in the ways that continue to affect us today. Seeing their belongings, photographs, and the places they once stood makes history more personal and emotional. It reminds me that the past is not just a distant timeline, but a foundation of everything we experience today. This visit also inspires me to appreciate my cultural identity more. They make me reflect on the lessons our ancestors left behind. Lessons about resilience, unity, sacrifice, and the importance of preserving heritage. Shrines remind me of the values we honor as society, while museums show me the diversity and richness of human creativity and survival. Every experience, gratitude, and responsibility. It encouraged me to protect our historical sites and pass on these stories to future generations and interacting with history in this way not only enriches my understanding but also deepens my empathy and my pride in the culture. That's my reflection. Thanks for watching!